Voice Arena number 5, Improv. For those of you who don't know, improv is unscripted dialogue and a means of thinking and acting on your feet. Actors who are familiar with improv can take suggestions on settings, circumstances, characters, etc., and act out scenes accordingly. Think back to the characterization voice arena. The character you came up with will react to things going on around them, with other characters, objects, and scenarios. Improv takes that character and puts them firmly into their reality, allowing an actor to make them even more believable. One way to do this is to ask the following questions. Who is your character? When is the scene set? Where? What is going on? What are you doing? Why? And how does your character do what they do, or how do they reach that conclusion? Improv relies on an active imagination and is a fantastic way to develop your acting skills. So let's get started. We want you to come up with a character and a script yourself. Your only prompt will be, "I wouldn't have done it that way." Feel free to use the questions above to guide you along. You can use the phrase in your script if you want to, or you can just respond to it. You can make the piece as short or as long as you'd like. But most importantly, you guys, have fun.